Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane. So, if you saw my video last time called Good News, you'll know I talked about the repair being delivery date on the 5th. Well, unfortunately, I got this email, so this would be the bad news. So, HP service notification, dear valued customer, your customer service order. We regret to inform you of a delay. The service apologizes for the inconvenience. The new date we expect to have your product returned to you is the 14th. So guys, don't worry. I've come up with this. So the week of Postknight. A video every day from the 7th to the 14th. And hopefully that should be the time when it is here, so that gives me a day to set it up on Saturday, and we'll see where it goes from there. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.